Hey friends, this is Atif here. Val and welcome to the new update on XLM. In my earlier video, that I was showing you that after the rejection by a quite strong resistance zone from 45 to 51 cents, the price of XLM formed another down channel on a very small time frame on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared a few hours ago with you. Now, if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that recently we had a long spike beyond the support of this channel. By the way, we are watching on the 4-hour and we had the long spike beyond the support, but the price end could not break it down. In fact, for a while it moved down below the support, but now it has recovered back and re-entered the same channel. And this time, if the price end hits the resistance of the channel, then it can hit the resistance somewhere here, approximately at 41 cents. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this previous breakout from this big and long-term down channel as well. You can see that after the breakout, we had a short pump, but the price and is rejected by this very strong resistance zone from 45 to 51 cents, and also got rejected by this uptrend line resistance as well. You can see that several times it is rejected, where you got rejection here, and rejection here. And now we also have a very nice support of Ichimoku bullish cloud as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you a quite long-term trade signal for XLM that I shared almost 2 years ago with my members on 29th of May 2022. This was a quite long-term trade signal because it was formed on the monthly time frame chart, and so far this signal has produced more than 400% rally. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with this quite long-term trade signal for XLM that I shared almost 2 years ago with my members, and that was a very huge harmonic bullish reversal Gartler pattern that XLM formed on a monthly time frame chart with US dollar pair. And you can see that I shared this signal on 29th of May 2022 with my members, and now if I play this chart, then price then started a very massive reversal and read the sell targets on here, and so far it has pumped more than 400%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of XLM. And first of all, let me to show you the 4-hour time frame chart. Recently here, you can see that XLM has formed another down channel on this 4-hour time frame chart, and it was breaking down. In fact, it was moved down then this support of the channel for a while like it did here, but now it is recovered back and moving towards the resistance. And before that, we will also need to break out this long-term resistance of 40 cents as well. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that this 40 cents has been previously working at the resistance here and support here. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then it will be more visible. And you can see that this 40 cents has been even previously working as a very strong resistance here for several weeks or months as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of XLM. And this time, if the price line hits the resistance of the channel, then it can hit the resistance somewhere here, approximately at 41 cents. And in case of breaking out this channel, the technical target to the upside will be here at the top of the channel. That is the top of this resistance on as well, approximately at 51 cents. You can see that for the past several days. Let me show you on the daily time frame chart. Now we are switched to the daily time frame, and here you can see that for the past several days, it is working at the resistance here, here, and here. Before that, it was working at the resistance here, and before that, here it was working as support. After the breakdown on 9th of December 2024, it is flipped into a very strong resistance, and we need to break it out in order to hit the target for the breakout from this previous bigger down channel. Now, if you take a look at the target for the breakout from this channel, from this the channel that is broken out here on the daily time frame chart, that target will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at 63.6 cents. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then this is the falling wedge pattern that I've been showing you for the past almost 2 years. And I've been telling you that after the breakout, we can expect a very massive rally. Like previously, almost 4 years ago, I have been showing you this very big and long-term down channel, and that was broken out in 2020, in the month of May 2020. And I was telling you in those days that target for the breakout from this channel will be here at the top of the channel, approximately at 50 cents. Same as like that. This was another bullish bias pattern, but this time it was not a down channel. This was a falling wedge pattern, and I was telling you that target will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between 80 cents to $1. And now you can see that we are very, very close to hit that target. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I shared. Take care. Goodbye.